If you've ever wondered whether your Telegram account is still logged in on an old device or want to make your chats more secure, today's video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check where your Telegram is logged in and how to log out remotely from any device, all by using just your smartphone. This is super handy if you've switched phones, used Telegram on a shared computer, or just want peace of mind. Alright, let's dive right in. First thing, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Take a moment to let it load. If you haven't used it in a while, you'll want to be on the main chat screen when we start. It's always nice to double-check you're really in the official Telegram app, especially if you use a lot of messaging apps. Look for the familiar blue paper airplane icon. Once you're inside Telegram, you'll head to the Settings tab. On most phones, you'll find Settings by tapping those three horizontal lines at the top left, or sometimes it's a gear icon at the bottom right. Settings is your main hub for changing account preferences, privacy features, and security options. Going here means you're taking charge of your account, so it's a good habit to get comfortable with these menus. Next, you'll tap on Privacy and Security. You'll see it in the list of settings options, usually it's near the top. This section is key because it controls who can see you online, how your account keeps your data private, and most importantly for this tutorial, where your account is currently logged in. Think of privacy and security as the lock on your house. It's where you make sure only you can enter. Now look for active sessions. Depending on your Telegram version, it might be called devices, but you're searching for a menu that shows you where your account is active. Go ahead and tap it, and Telegram will instantly show you a list of all the places your account is logged in right now. This could include other phones, tablets, computers, or web browsers, and it even shows locations and device types, so it's easy to spot anything unfamiliar. Take a moment here and really check all the entries. Sometimes you'll see sessions from a device you forgot about, like your old laptop or a browser you used at work. If you recognize everything, great. If something looks strange, don't panic, you're in the right place to fix it. Let's say you want to log out from a single device. Just tap on the entry for that session. Maybe it says Windows PC in Chicago and you know you're not using Telegram there anymore. Once you tap, you'll get an option to terminate session. Tap that, and Telegram will remotely log out on that device. That means nobody on that PC or wherever can access your chats unless they log back in. If you want an even cleaner break, you can terminate all other sessions except the one on your current phone. This is the power move if you think you've left your account logged in at an internet cafe or a friend's house, or you simply want a fresh start. All you need to do is tap Terminate All Other Sessions. Telegram will automatically log out your account everywhere except your phone, closing the door on any device you're not using. And that's it, your Telegram is now more secure, and you're totally in control of where your account lives. If any step takes a moment to load or update, don't worry, that's normal. Telegram is just syncing everything up. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you make your chat life safer, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have another Telegram question. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next one.